Above, you can see them.
Oh yeah, yeah. I took the ADO bus from Waka City all the way to Palenque overnight. And I'm starting to get the hang of ADO buses. I feel like they are very reliable in Mexico. My time in Palenque was short, but sweet. I haven't really recorded anything much during my time here, as I was starting to feel uninspired to document my trips. After getting settled in the nearby hostel, I went to watch a soccer game and made friends with the locals there. I just wanted to feel the vibe of Chiapas. The next day for lunch, I went out and ventured in Palenque and found out this poleria, which I really enjoyed. I noticed that there were less tourists here and it was more raw and it was just locals. In the afternoon, I went with a guy from the hostel and explored the national park in Palenque near El Panchan, and to my surprise, I heard this roaring sound.
Whoa! These two branches
Yeah?
above, you can see them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The two big branches.
Whoa. It sounded like the T-Rex from Jurassic Park. They are howler monkeys. Soon you will find out that they are common residents in the jungles of Central America. And later we came across a Mexican hairless dog known as the Xoloitzcuintle, Squintle, or Xolo for short.
No hair, yeah.
No pelo.
No.
Squintle. Now she's going
Going home.
to. You can choose to camp in the jungle as El Panchan has camping spots and cabins. But I didn't have camping gear. So we decided to head back to civilization. But not before ants attacked us along the way. Damn these ants in the pants. There was a coffee shop that had different kinds of local beans, so I tried one of their coffees. Well, just killing time in the afternoon. Palenque was one big Mayan empire since 200 BC. Remnants of that kingdom is still well preserved but now slowly consumed by the jungle.
la tumba de Pacal. Si hallan la tumba del gobernante, descubren la tumba del personaje.
But what's impressive is, here lies the body of the great chief of that time, Pakal the Great. I remembered in one of an alien conspiracy book, Chariots of the Gods, it was mentioned that Pakal the Great had an inscription believed to be what looked like an astronaut, carved in his sarcophagus. What do you think, guys? Did we had contact with aliens in historical times? A day trip you can do from Palenque is visiting Misolha and Rio Azul. It wasn't in season for the water to be blue at that time when I was there, but it would look like this in Instagram. As I said, my time in Palenque, Chiapas was short, but I was preparing for the adventures right up ahead in Yucatan. Off topic here, I just wanted to mention the many Chinese restaurants that are everywhere here in Mexico and usually owned by a Chinese family. And it's just amazing that they thrived here, especially in the small towns of Mexico. Follow me on Instagram at The Local Drift and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications on new videos. And guys, you can also support me by simply buying me a coffee. It's that simple. The information is on the link on the description box below. Wow, that's a mouthful.